What if the breakup you're crying over is actually God protecting you? What if He was saving you from a relationship that would have caused deeper emotional damage later on? If you're feeling broken after a breakup or divorce, I want you to remember that God heals what feels shattered. He sees the tears you don't show anyone. He understands the love you gave and the pain you're carrying. None of this caught Him off guard. I know you still love Him. And that's what makes this so hard. God saw how sincere you were, how much you invested, how badly you wanted it to work. But even in that, never forget, you are deeply loved by God. His love for you is steady, secure, and not dependent on someone choosing you. Sometimes the truth hurts, but not every relationship is meant to last. If something isn't meant for you, forcing it will only drain you. You shouldn't have to beg for consistency, clarity, or commitment. You don't know what God may have been shielding you from. There could have been betrayal, emotional instability, or pain waiting ahead that you couldn't see. Sometimes what feels like loss is actually protection. If He chooses to walk away, let Him. Place it in God's hands. Real love, the kind that brings peace, respect, and security, is not something you have to chase. It aligns naturally and honors your worth. This is your reminder that love is still real. Take this time to heal. Strengthen yourself. Grow spiritually and emotionally. Trust that what is truly meant for you will not require you to shrink, struggle, or lose yourself. Your story isn't finished. This chapter may be painful, but it is not permanent. Something healthier and more aligned is ahead, and you won't have to question it when it comes.